chapter number 4, The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlöf. The writer is a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through all of them, a belief that the essential goodness in a human can be awakened through understanding and love. The story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history and legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Before I start with the story, I would like to ask you, my dear students, what is a rat trap? You all will answer, I know, that rat trap is a device in which you trap a mouse or a rat at your home. Obviously, what do you do to catch that mouse? You just put a bite of a chapati and put that rat trap at such a place where there is no light at all, or a place where the rats commonly come. Yes. Why that rat comes to that rat trap? Because the rat is attracted towards that bite of the chapati. That is like a bait, a sort of attraction. But nowadays, my dear students, the rats have become smart. They don't come to eat that piece of chapati. No. Now you people put pork, piece of pork, cheese. Rats are easily attracted towards that. Now what happens in that device when that rat tries to touch or eat whatever is inside placed as an attraction for that rat? The trap closes in on it. The mouse is trapped in that rat trap, and that comes to the end of its life. Because then we leave it, we throw it out of the house somewhere. Now, why the writer has given this title as the rat trap? Because the title is metaphorical. The writer wants to convey to us that this whole world is nothing but a very big rat trap. Because whatever we see, all the riches, comforts, food, luxuries, what are these? These are just baits put for all of us, for all the human beings to be attracted towards it. The moment we touch these baits, we are caught in that snare. We can't come out of that like a rat. So we have to think about it. All the good things shown to us, all the luxuries, comforts, food, cities, countries, riches attract us. The moment when we are attracted toward it, we start indulging in wrong ways to get all these comforts and luxuries that trap us like a rat trap, and we can't come out of it. The same is the story of the character in the chapter. No particular name is given to that character. He is known as a tramp, a vagabond, a rat trap seller. You can say a thief also. How he caught in that snare of the rat trap. How the essential goodness in that human being was awakened through love and understanding. That is to be read in the story. So before I start, with the story, I would like to give you what the writer wants to say through this chapter. The Rat Trap is a story that gives us a psychological insight into the human nature. The author highlights how greed or material things entraps human beings. The story upholds the belief that the essential goodness of a human being can be awakened through love and understanding. It brings into focus that the idea that the world is a rat trap, riches, joys, shelter, food, and all the comforts are lucrative baits to trap the mankind. So this is all about the general, the title discussion, the idea of the writer behind the story.